An August 2019 report by the Texas Department of State Health Services shows that creosote once seeped into the soil, creating a hazardous plume that moved beneath at least 110 homes and churches and contaminated groundwater.
Punctuality is the courtesy of kings. I literally had this quote framed in my bedroom ever since I was a little kid. And this doesn't just mean that showing up to places on time is important, but it also means doing things on time is important. Taking responsibility on time is important. If the recent reports are true, Union Pacific has known for decades that its rail yard located in Houston's 5th Ward in Kashmere Gardens is contaminated with a carcinogen called creosote. And as a result, members of the community who live in these affected areas have been developing cancer from this exposure for decades. Union Pacific needs to take responsibility for their actions and either pay for a comprehensive cleanup of their contaminated rail yard or tell people the dangers that they face. So what do we do from here? Well, there are a couple of things. First, any individuals in the 5th Ward or Kashmere Gardens who may be affected should consider reaching out to legal counsel. Additionally, recent reports have also come out and said that in 2014, Union Pacific circulated a restrictive covenant deed giving members of the community $1,000 if they were to sign a restrictive covenant saying that they weren't allowed to use their well water. I know a lot of people are concerned that if they accepted this at $1,000 in 2014, they could potentially be barred from bringing a claim now. Well, we don't know if that's the case. If anybody is interested in having me review the restrictive covenant they signed, feel free to email me at contact@kherkherlaw.com. I will do it for free and let you know what your legal options are. Last, I'm calling on the city of Houston to take legal action against Union Pacific if they fail to take responsibility for the cleanup of their contaminated rail yard. This cleanup could very well cost tens, if not hundreds of millions of dollars to do it correctly. The city of Houston has an obligation to its citizens to protect them and to make things right. There are current precedents for legal actions brought by cities or municipalities against mega corporations for them to clean up contaminated areas. There's currently some going on right now. If the city of Houston is unwilling to use their own resources or their staff to bring this litigation, there are private law firms that would. Please reach out to me or to any other qualified lawyer to bring such a case. It's not so much about the money, it's about protecting the citizens of Houston who will continue to develop cancer if no action is taken. If my law firm decides to represent individuals who have been affected by this, I will make a follow-up video to announce it. But in the meantime, if you're interested in just learning more about the legal world, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks. I rest my case.